Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at iOS 13.1 Beta 1. Apple surprised us with this update. We were expecting Beta 9 for iOS 13, and we weren't expecting iOS 13.1 betas until after iOS 13 was released to the public. But instead, Apple has stopped the new betas for iOS 13. It looks like that's pretty much complete, and we are now seeing iOS 13.1 betas early, just so they can correct some issues and everything, so it is a stable release for the public. So first things first, is we do have a couple features coming back from iOS 13 that they were removed, such as automation in the Shortcuts app. We do have automation back here. If you did have automations set up already, it looks like they did stay, so you don't have to reset up your stuff if you had anything in there. I have one set up for when my alarm goes off. When I stop the alarm, my light turns on, so that is a nice one to have if you have hue lights in your bedroom or something like that. We do have the fonts area here. They changed that up a little bit. It does say no fonts installed now and gives you a link to the App Store. If you click that, you don't get any fonts to download yet just because there are none in the App Store yet. We'll probably see those roll out around the iOS 13 public release time or same day. But you do have that now where you can go to the App Store to download fonts. We do have some new dynamic wallpapers as well. So if you go in here, there are a couple new dynamic wallpapers, which is nice. I'm not a big fan of the dynamic wallpapers just because I don't like the wallpapers that move. I think it saves a little bit of battery life to have a static wallpaper. Just my opinion though. We do have a bug where you can't crop your wallpaper, so you can't move it around if you have like a custom image or something like that. You want to get one area of it. That's not working right now in Beta 1 for iOS 13.1. So if you have a custom wallpaper you want to set, just keep that in mind if you're going to change it. Another thing here in the Watch app is under the App Store. Apple Watch App Store is now on the Apple Watch only. You can't have access to the App Store in the Apple Watch app and download them from your phone to your watch. If you have apps installed on your phone, though, you still do have the installed on Apple Watch section here where you can choose whether you want to show them or not on your Apple Watch. Everything else is running pretty well. Battery life has been doing pretty good. Performance has been pretty good. I think apps are opening just a little bit faster. Again, though, we won't see those full app speeds and smaller sizes until developers update their apps when iOS 13 comes out to the public. So far, iOS 13.1 has been a good beta, especially for a Beta 1. I'm looking forward to seeing what iOS 13.1 brings to the iPhone and iPad. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.